Hi everyone. Today I want to share my thoughts regarding the price of Bitcoin for the near future. The current price is near 44,000. And why is the Bitcoin price rising and what to expect next? I think this is a manipulation by the market maker. Many people believe that Bitcoin would go down to 14, 12, or even lower. But we didn't see that. The price bounced off from the level of $16,000 and began the bullish bull run. In those ranges, so I will remove. We don't need it anymore. Okay. So yeah, in this, and this ranges, people took a short positions, and of course they were liquidated. But even now, I am sure of this. Many people are shorting or adding margin, but they will be also liquidated. I think so. Of course, if they use the credit leverage. And what I expect? I expect that Bitcoin will go a little bit higher to something like from 48 to $52,000, and this will be a top for the current local bull run. So let's remove again this, we don't need it anymore. And what I want to show, let's switch to daily chart. So I expecting to see something similar to this one. And of course, it can have a correction from the current level before the final pump. So it can be something like this. And let's find out the levels of resistance here. So let's back to weekly chart. And the first one is near 48 key. And the second one is near 52. So I think that some traders have stop losses here and even here, and probably the market maker will liquidate them. So after the price will go through those levels, people will believe that this is the next large bull run and will open the long positions. We will see greed on the market, and after the price consolidates above those resistance levels. So here will be some consolidation and people will be greedy and will start buying Bitcoin, altcoins, etc. And makes sense to mention that Bitcoin halving is in the several months. And after the halving, historically the price go up. So let's take a look on this picture. We have the halving, price went up. Halving, the price went up. Halving, the price went up. So the people know it and see on the chart. So the most part of the people will expect that the price will be growing up after the halving, and in this time, and any price reduction will be perceived as just a small correction. So traders will buy Bitcoin on price reduction. For example, after the market maker will sell his position, and even by selling it, the price can go down, and people will think that it's just a correction and will still buy it. So market maker will have enough of liquidity to sell his position or their position. So probably he accumulated his position here and will sell here. So I believe that the Bitcoin price will go up a little bit in the near future. The top will be from $48,000 to $52,000 and then will go down. I don't believe that this bull run is a global one and that Bitcoin will go to the new all-time high. I think this is a small bull run in the scope of the big cycle. Something similar to the dead cat bounce in 2019. To this one. But this time I expect that Bitcoin will drop lower than 16,000. Lower than this. And will update minimums in the region to something like 12. So where 12? Here. So in future Bitcoin can drop to this level, probably. Bitcoin was not so big as right now. And during the previous bull runs, the market maker has possibility to push the price of Bitcoin to a new all-time highs because it was easier with a smaller capitalization. But now the capitalization of Bitcoin is not small and it requires a lot of resources to manipulate the price. I think that the previous all-time high was achieved because the economical factor contributed to this. Money were printed in the whole world in large quantities, and people, even large companies, put money into the Bitcoin. And of course, it helped for the previous bull run. Now the money isn't printed in large volumes, and interest rates on loans are high. This doesn't help the price of Bitcoin rise, and this is one of the reasons why I don't expect a new all-time high in the near future. So I think right now is not the time to buy Bitcoin. Maybe some altcoins. I will share my opinion regarding altcoins in the next video. So subscribe to the channel and good luck on the way to wealth.